Scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe starting from Brahma. Class 8. In this, the Veda instructs us to do all the works scientifically, because in the creation of universe, the objective of this system was to build a very good universe finished in all forms. For example, some of the developments are taking place on the earth with the help of human beings. That is, the progress of the development on Earth's surface is taking place in 4 steps called Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga. That means tribal period, colonialism, socialism and capitalism, and finally a world which is developed to the maximum level. All persons possess the knowledge of this universe, all the science behind this universe. All are happy, all are living as the members of a single family. So, these progresses in these stages are taking place through human beings. So, Veda instructs us was this Brahmanaspati itself instructs us to study, understand the science behind this universe, and with the help of science, we should do our duty, so that the development of this our nation or this world progress rapidly and scientifically and reaches at that particular mostly developed form. So let us go to some of these suttas. First, we should go to Yajurveda, chapter 34, Sutta 41, and see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 34 മന്ത്രം 41. ഋഷി സുഹോത്രഃ ദേവത പൂഷാഃ ഛന്ദഃ ഗായത്രി സ്വരഃ ഷഡ്ജഃ പൂഷന്തവ വൃതേ വയം ന ജിഷ്യേമ കഥാജന സ്തോതാരസ്ത ഇഹസ്മസി.
It instructs us to follow the science and rules that is set up by the God or Brahmanaspati, that is the driving force. It says, if we follow those rules or signs, we can eliminate our sorrow or any hurdles in life. So, we can solve any of our problem or difficulties through the support of this science. If we use science, we can overcome all difficulties in the life. So the sorrows can be removed. Then let us go through the Yajurveda, chapter 33, Sutta 78, and see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 33 മന്ത്രം 78. ഋഷി അഗസ്ത്യഃ ദേവത ഇന്ദ്ര മരുതഃ ഛന്ദഃ വിരാട് ദൃഷ്ടുപ്പ് സ്വരഃ ധൈവതഃ. ബ്രഹ്മാണി मे मदयः शंसुतासः शुष्म इयर्ति प्रभृतो मे अद्रिः आशासते प्रतिहर्यन्त उक्ते मा हरि वहदस्ता नो अच्छा.
It says, our strength is knowledge and education. Our strength depends on our knowledge and the level of science that we know. That is Vedas, education. That will give us all the prosperity, financial and every type of prosperity. Through the science and knowledge, we can prosper. For that, we should depend on Veda. Veda means knowledge. That will we should depend on science. Modern science also. That is also a part of the Veda. Veda is knowledge, science, pure science, 10% science. And modern science is also science. But Veda contains 10% science and present modern science is not 10% science. So we can depend on modern science or go to Vedas. Then let us go to Yajurveda chapter 32 Sukta 9 and see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 32 മന്ത്രം 9. ഋഷി സ്വയംഭൂവ ബ്രഹ്മ ദേവത വിദ്വാൻ ഛന്ദഃ നിർജിത് ത്രിഷ്ടുപ്പ് സ്വരഃ ധൈവതഃ. പ്രതച്ഛേദമൃതം വിദ്വാൻ ഗന്ധർവോ ധാമ നിഭൃതം ഗുഹാസത് ത്രീണി പതാനി നിഹിതാ ഗുഹാസ്യ യസ്താനി വേദ സപിതു പിതാസ്തി.
It says, those who understand this science that is in Veda, he will become strong. He will not fall in life. There is no destruction to him. He understands the glory behind this science or this Brahmanaspati, who is the driving force behind this science. Now let us go to Yajurveda chapter 4 Suktam 9 and see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 4 മന്ത്രം 9. ഋഷി അങ്കിരസഃ ദേവതാ വിദ്വാൻ ഛന്ദഃ ആർഷി പംക്തി സ്വരഃ പഞ്ചമഃ. ഋക്സാമയോ ശില്പേസ്തസ്തേ വാമാരഭേ തേമാ പാത്രമാസ്യ യജ്ഞസ്യോതിർജഃ ശർമാസി ശർമ്മ മേ യച്ഛ നമസ്തേസ്തു മാമാ ഹിംസീഹി.
It says in Rigveda, Samaveda, etc., there is science. In addition to that science, there are all other knowledges and its application, technology. Science is there, its application, technology is there, and all other ways, other knowledges like arts, culture, politics, everything is there, which is essential for the development of a nation. We will get everything. There is science, arts also is there, cultural activities, and accountancy, management subject, everything. What are things we are knowledges we are getting from university, everything is there, including art. Now let us go to, and it also instructs us to implement such knowledges in our activities, day-to-day activities. Now let us go to Rigveda Mandal 2, Suktam 4 in Suktam 23. Now see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 2 സൂക്തം 23-4. ഋഷി ഋക്സമതൻ ദേവത ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതി ഛന്ദസ് ജഗതി തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ്. സുനീതിഭിർനയസി ത്രായസേ ജനം യസ്തുഭ്യം ദശാന സ്തമഹോ അശ്നവത് ബ്രഹ്മദ്വിഷസ്തപനോ മന്യുമീരസി ബൃഹസ്പതേ महिदत्ते महित्वनम.
This Brahmanaspati or driving force behind this science leads every person in the right direction. With the support of science or knowledge, we can move easily in the easiest path, easiest way to achieve the objective, by which we will overcome all our difficulties. Those who not follow science, they will suffer. Anyone doing any activity without any scientific knowledge, they will suffer a lot. His life become hard. And the possibility for attaining his objective is also less. That is what it says. Then let us go to Rigveda chapter 2, 6 of Suktam 23.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 2 സൂക്തം 23-6. ഋഷി ഋക്സമതൻ ദേവത ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതി ഛന്ദസ് ജഗതി തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ്. ത്വംനോ ഗോപാ പതികൃത് വിചക്ഷണസ്തവ വൃതായ മതിഭിർജരാമഹേ ബൃഹസ്പതേ യോനോ അഭിഹ്വരോ ദധേ സ്വാതം മമർത്തു ദുച്ഛുന ഹരസ്വതി.
The Vedic mantras or knowledge that came from Brahmanaspati, that is this driving force behind this science, helps us to overcome all the oppositions or hindrances in our path. He showed the direct path through which we should move, or the method, correct method through which we should attain our objective. Then let us go to Yajurveda chapter 3 and Sutta 30. Let us see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 3 മന്ത്രം 30. ഋഷി സത്യദ്രിധിർ വാരുണി ദേവത ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതി ഛന്ദഃ നിർജത് ഗായത്രി സ്വരഃ ഷഡ്ജ. മാനശംസോ അരരുഷോ ധൂർധി പ്രണങ് മർത്തസ്യ രക്ഷാണോ ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതേ.
Every knowledge rests on Brahmanaspati or this science, which is the driving force behind our actions. Every knowledge is resting on it. That will help us to overcome our difficulties and to attain our objective. That is the safest method by which we should go to attain our objective. Otherwise, we will suffer a lot. Then let us go to Yajurveda chapter 34, Sukta 36.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 34 മന്ത്രം 56. ഋഷി കണ്വഃ ദേവത ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതി ഛന്ദഃ നിർജത് ബൃഹതി സ്വരഃ മധ്യമഃ. ഉത്തിഷ്ഠ ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതേ ദേവയന്തസ്ത്വമേഹ സ്ത്വേമഹേ ഉപപ്രയന്തു മരുത സുദാനവ ഇന്ദ്രപ്രാശുർഭവ സജാ.
It says more and more people should be come forward to protect this Veda and also to study this Veda. Through them, the common man will get the Veda knowledge. So, such educated people should teach this Veda to common people also. And everyone should follow what Veda says, because Veda is knowledge and everyone should follow it. Then only prosperity will take place and the nation will go forward scientifically and reach at its final stage of objective. It will attain its objective only through the usage of this Veda. For that, people with knowledge in Vedas are essential.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 34 മന്ത്രം 57. ഋഷി കണ്വഃ ദേവത ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതി ഛന്ദഃ വിരാട് ബൃഹതി സ്വരഃ മധ്യമഃ. പ്രനൂനം ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതിർ മന്ത്രം അവത്യു ഉക്ത്യം യസ്മിനിന്ദ്രോ വരുണോ മിത്രോ അര്യമ ദേവാ ഓഗാംസി ചക്രിരേ.
Yajurveda, chapter 34, Sukta 57 says, we will get the knowledge about anything in the universe, including sun, moon, etc., including the planets or structure of the universe, because all these things are created based on the laws that is seen in Vedas. Now let us go to the Sukta 34, to the chapter 34 of Yajurveda and the Sukta number 58.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 34 മന്ത്രം 58. ഋഷി ഗൃൽസമദഃ ദേവത ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതി ഛന്ദഃ നൃജത് ത്രഷ്ടുപ്പ് സ്വരഃ ധൈവതഃ. ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പതേ ത്വമസ്യ യന്താ സൂക്തസ്യ ബോധി തനയം ച ജിന്വാ വിശ്വം തത്ഭദ്രം യദവദന്തി ദേവാ ബൃഹദ്വദേമ വിദധേ സുവീരാഃ.
Through this sukta it says we should also study the science that is behind this universe. We came here to take part in the creative activity. The world is progressing. That progressing is with the help of science, with the support of science. We came here also to take part in that activity. So to do our work, we should also understand the required science that is available in Veda, or we can use modern science also. With the support of the science, we should do our karma activity. That will make our activity smooth and we can achieve our objective easily if we use scientific methods. That is why this instructs us to study these Vedic sciences, that the science in Vedas, which are obtained from this universe itself. These are the knowledge that we obtain from this universe. All these knowledges came from this Brahmanaspati. That is a gift of nature, or a gift of the force which act behind this universe. We may call it as Brahman itself. So it has a desire to create a better world. That is why it acted through this Brahmanaspati and it created all the science that is required for it. And with the support of this science, this creation is taking place. And we should also study those laws and those sciences, and with the support of this science we should do our activity.